Right now, there are YouTube channels making thousands, sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars every month, and no one is in front of a camera. No filming, no talking, no editing. The entire thing is automated, with AI doing 90% of the work. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel that runs on autopilot and makes money 24/7. This isn't some theory, this is happening right now, and people are quietly building entire businesses off this strategy. So if you want to learn how to do it step by step, keep watching. Section 1. Why AI-powered YouTube is the perfect passive income stream. Let's talk about why this works, and why YouTube is one of the best places to build AI-powered income. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, where content disappears after a few days, YouTube videos can make money for years. One well-made video can bring in revenue for months, even years after uploading. For example, there are faceless YouTube channels in the finance and motivation niches making over $20,000 a month just from AI-generated content. And the best part, you don't need to hit record, because AI does the heavy lifting. Now, let's go step by step and break down exactly how to build one of these channels from scratch. Section 2, step-by-step guide to setting up your AI YouTube channel. To get started, we need to break this process into 5 key steps. Step 1, pick a niche that works for AI content. Not every niche works for faceless AI channels. You need topics that don't require a personal brand or real-life footage. The best niches for AI YouTube automation are finance and investing, like stock market news, crypto updates, business breakdowns, motivation and success, entrepreneur tips, billionaire habits, mindset shifts, tech and AI news, the latest AI breakthroughs, future tech innovations, luxury and wealth, celebrity net worth, millionaire lifestyles, high-end cars and homes, and mystery and storytelling, conspiracy theories, unsolved mysteries, dark history, you get the idea. Step 2, generate video scripts with AI. Now that we have a niche, we need content, and AI can generate high-quality video scripts in minutes. Here are the tools to use. ChatGPT for general script, Claude AI for longer, detailed scripts, Jasper AI for SEO-optimized scripts. Here's an example prompt you can use right now to generate a full YouTube script. Prompt: write a 10-minute YouTube script about how AI is changing the future of money. Use a compelling hook, structured sections, and a call to action at the end. Once you have a script, you need a voiceover. An AI can generate professional, natural-sounding voiceovers instantly. The best AI voiceover tools are 11 Labs, best for human-like voices, Play.ht, great for different accents and languages, Speechify, which is fast and beginner-friendly. The key is to pick a voice that matches your niche. A calm, authoritative voice works for finance, a dramatic voice works for mystery content. Step 4, create AI-generated video content and editing. Now that we have a script and voiceover, we need visuals. AI can generate full video clips, animations, and even stock footage. The best AI video creation and editing tools are Runway ML for AI-powered B-roll and background visuals, Pika Labs for AI-generated animations and video clips, CapCut for AI-assisted video editing and captions, and Opus Clip for automatically turning long videos into shorts. Here's an example workflow. First, upload your AI-generated voiceover into CapCut. Second, use Runway ML to generate relevant B-roll. Third, add text overlays and motion graphics to keep viewers engaged. 4, use Opus Clip to repurpose content into YouTube Shorts. One key tip is to make your videos visually dynamic. Use fast cuts, text overlays, and engaging transitions to keep people watching. And then step 5, upload, optimize, and monetize. Now that your video is ready, let's upload it and make some money. The best practices for YouTube SEO and growth is to use compelling titles. For example, this AI tool prints money. Here's how. Creating high-click thumbnails using Canva or Photoshop. Write SEO-optimized descriptions, so use ChatGPT for keyword-rich descriptions. And make sure you engage in the comments by replying to boost engagement. Here's how you make money from this. Ad revenue, so once you're monetized, you'll get paid per 1,000 views. Affiliate links, you can promote AI tools like Runway ML and earn commissions. Sponsorships, brands will pay you to feature their products. And also you can sell digital products, so you can use these videos to drive traffic. Once your videos start ranking, they bring in views and income indefinitely. Final section, here's how to start today. Now you know exactly how to build an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel that runs on autopilot. But none of this matters unless you take action. Start by picking your niche today. Use AI to generate your first script. Test out a voiceover tool and create your first video, because momentum is everything. I cover all of this step by step in my book, The Digital Garden, where I show you exactly how to create digital assets that print money for you. Click the link in the description and grab a copy. And if you want more AI-powered wealth-building strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping more every week. AI is the biggest money shift in history. Don't get left behind. I'll see you in the next video.